Hi, my name is Adira and we're in Lime All St. Anne's. We're going to check out the falls right now, so come along with me.
It's a pretty easy path. Watch your step and you should be fine. Alright, check this out. So this is just before we reach the waterfall. Here's a closer look. Okay, so no teasing. Let's go to the actual waterfalls now. Quick walk, quick walk. Hello there. No. Just watch your step and you should be good. Whoop. We'll edit that out later. Almost reached, just bear with me. And here we are. Now let's go for a closer look. Cheese! It's a little cold, yes. Alright, I'm ready now. Okay, don't try this at home. It's deeper to the waterfall, so only go closer unless you can swim. Nice and clear.
And that's a wrap, guys. Lime All St. Anne's. Bye. More videos to come, guys. Please like and subscribe.